For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
If you're tired of cluttered egg cartons sliding around your fridge, you're not alone. I used to deal with that mess all the time. That's why I switched to this auto-rolling fridge egg organizer, and honestly, it's been a total upgrade to my kitchen setup. Whether you're cooking daily or just want a cleaner fridge, this is one of those simple changes that makes a big difference. Maximize your fridge space. With its 4-tier stackable design, this organizer holds up to 30 eggs while saving tons of shelf space. I live in a small apartment with a compact fridge, and this tray fits perfectly, freeing up room for other essentials like meal prep containers or leftovers. It works just as well in larger fridges, too. Smart auto-rolling system. What I love most is the auto-rolling feature. It gently slides each egg forward as you take one. No more eggs getting lost at the back or guessing which ones are oldest. I bake regularly, and this system has helped me rotate my eggs properly and reduce waste. Plus, it's super satisfying to use. Fits any lifestyle. This tray holds 30 eggs, making it ideal for big families, bakers, or anyone who buys in bulk. On weekends, I usually grab a fresh dozen from the farmer's market, and this organizer easily handles the load without me juggling multiple cartons. Easy maintenance. Cleaning is simple. I just wipe it down with warm water and mild soap, and it's good to go. I've done this a few times already, no fading, no wear. It's nice knowing it stays clean and hygienic without much effort.